Dear students, good morning. Now we try to do exercise A. Prove that cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 by cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to A plus B plus C whole square by A square plus B square plus C square. An important problem here. They may ask numerator separately and denominator separately. Numerator separate problem, denominator separate problem, or they can ask combining the problem like this. So I shall do numerator separate and denominator separately, and later I do numerator by denominator. Right. So take numerator. What is the numerator given? Cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2. Cot A by 2 formula S into S minus A by delta. Cot A by 2 formula S into S minus A by delta. Cot B by 2. In the place of A you are having B. So in the formula also in the place of A you will get B. So formula is S into S minus B by delta plus cot C by 2 formula S into S minus C by delta. So take the LCM. Delta is the LCM. Delta is LCM. So the numerator is S into S minus A plus S into S minus B plus S into S minus C. In the numerator you can take S common because you are having S, S and S. So take S common. The remaining are S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C by delta. In simplification, S into S plus S plus S, 3S, minus A minus B minus C. In these three, take minus common. So minus of A plus B plus C. So S into 3S minus, we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. So in the place of A plus B plus C, I shall write 2S. So 3S minus 2S by delta. So S into 3S minus 2S is S by delta. I have taken delta separately as 1 by delta into S into S, S square. 1 by delta into what is S? We have taken A plus B plus C as 2S. So what is S? Here 2 is in multiplication by shifting division. So S is A plus B plus C by 2. So in the place of S I have written A plus B plus C by 2. S square. So whole square. Now 1 by delta, separate the numerator square and denominator square. A plus B plus C whole square by 2 square, 4. So the denominator become 4 delta. Therefore A plus B plus C whole square by 4 delta. Thus the numerator is cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 is equal to A plus B plus C whole square by 4 delta. So numerator portion is over. Now take the denominator part. Denominator. Individually they can ask numerator as a problem and denominator as a problem. So here they combined two problems and given as a single problem. So denominator is cot A plus cot B plus cot C. I have expressed this in sigma notation. Sigma. Sigma means summation. Plus is in between the terms. Sigma represent in between the terms there is plus. Plus. So sigma cot A. We can expand this sigma cot A as the first term cot A. Sigma means plus. In between the terms you should place plus. That is the meaning of sigma. You have to change it cyclic order. In the place of A, you have to write B. Cot B. Again put plus. In the place of B, you have to write C. So cot C. There is no cos D because in a triangle we have only three angles A, B, C. In the place of A, you have to write B. In the place of B, you have to write C. In the place of C, you have to write A. If you write A, again you will get the first term. So expressing cot A plus cot B plus cot C in a sigma notation is sigma. Write the first term, that's all. From this sigma cot A, how to expand back? First term cot A. Sigma means you have to put plus. In the place of A, you have to replace B. Again put plus. In the place of B, you have to write C. You should not continue by writing D because in a triangle you have only three angles A, B, C. So sigma cot A that equal to sigma cot A means cos A by sin A. Cos A by sin A. I have written sin A denominator separately as cos A into 1 by sin A. By cosine rule formula, sigma cosine rule formula cos A is B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC, formula of cos A, into 1 by sin A. Therefore sigma multiply 1 into B square plus C square minus A square, the same, by 2BC into sin A. 2BC into sin A. That equal to sigma B square plus C square minus A square by 2 into this become 2 delta. How 2 delta? In the list of the formulae, delta means area of triangle. We have given list of the formulae in which delta is given as half BC sin A. One of the formula is half BC sin A. Cross multiply. 2 delta equal to BC sin A. So in the place of BC sin A, I have written 2 delta. 2 delta. So it become sigma B square plus C square minus A square by 4 delta. Right. So sigma B square plus C square minus A square by 4 delta. Now I shall expand the sigma. I shall expand the sigma. So write the first term as it is. This is the first term, right here as it is. Sigma means in between you have to put plus. So put plus. How to expand the sigma? A, you have to write it as B. In the place of B, you have to write C. In the place of C, you have to write A. In the place of B, you have to write C. So C square plus. In the place of C, you have to write A. So C square, so A square minus. In the place of A, you have to put B. So B square by 4 delta. This change is done only in the places of A, B, C. Only in the places of A, B, C. So C square. C square is written as A square plus. In the place of A, you have to write B. So B square minus. In the place of B, you have to write C. So C square by 4 delta by 4 delta. So from the first term, you have to write second term, and from the second term you have to write the third term by replacing A as B, B as C, C as A. Now take the LCM 4 delta, because all the fractions have same denominator 4 delta. So take LCM 4 delta. 4 delta, 4 delta. There is no extra. So write the numerator as it is. B square plus C square minus A square plus C square plus A square minus B square plus A square plus B square minus C square. In this simplification, minus A square plus A square cancel, minus B square plus B square cancel, plus C square minus C square cancel. So what are the remaining? A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta. So the denominator part is cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta. As I said, numerator and denominator are two separate problems combinedly asked as like this. What is the LHS? Numerator by denominator. What is the numerator answer? A plus B plus C whole square by 4 delta by denominator answer A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta. What I got in the just above line. Just cancel both the denominators. 4 delta, 4 delta. What is the remaining? A plus B plus C whole square by A square plus B square plus C square. That is our required RHS. Hence the problem is over. What the problem just we have done? What is the benefit of this problem? It covers two separate problems. Numerator separate problem, denominator separate problem. If you practice this problem, you can able to do two problems separately and combinedly one problem. Right. This is an important problem.